Let's open the Roblox in your PC. Click on Friends icon available on left vertical panel. We would be able to see all friends available in my Roblox accounts. I am selecting one of my friend to whom I am interested to send the private messages. Now, I am clicking on Message to send the messages to my Roblox friends. Type subject like tomorrow plan and messages like hi we will play game together after coming from the school. Press the send button to send the private messages to your Roblox friend. You can send as many messages to your friends for communication and make a plan for playing game or for another purpose. But make sure your messages must be according to the Roblox policy and compliance, otherwise Roblox can block your accounts. You can send as many messages to your friends for communication and make a plan for playing game or for another purpose. But make sure your messages must be according to the Roblox policy and Roblox compliance, otherwise Roblox can block your accounts. Roblox has very strict policy, and if they found that there are some malicious gossip or contents, then your account can be deleted. So, take care that part. We can see the list of messages which were sent by mine Roblox friends. I can read all the messages. Even if we want to reply the messages, then we can easily do it. Just press the reply, type your messages and press the send reply in easy way. Just for the record purpose, we can easily see the list of send message in my account. This will be very helpful if we like to look which message was sent to my friends on what date and what was the content of the messages. If you find this tutorial fruitful, please consider to subscribe the channel and keep liking and commenting on video.